Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today we will learn the question number 10 of coordinate geometry exercise 7.2 of NCERT book for class 10th. Now the question is, find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, -1, 4 and -2, -1 taken in R order. So let us say this is our rhombus A, B, C, D. So we have to find out the area of the rhombus. So let A 3, 0 let A, B, C, D be a rhombus. The coordinates of vertices are the coordinates of vertices are A 3, 0. So A 3, 0, or it will be, let us say it is x1, y1. So it will be, our x1 will be 3, y1 will be 0. B 4, 5. 4, 5. Let us say it is x2, y2. So x2 will become 4 and y2 is 5. Then vertices C, vertex C is -1, 4. It is -1, 4, x3, y3. That means x3 equals to -1 and y3 equals to 4. Then vertices C is -2, -1, -2, -1, x4, x4, y4. Means x4 equals to -2 and y4 equals to -1. We know the area of rhombus is, now we know area of rhombus is, we know area of rhombus equals to 1/2 of the product of diagonals, product of diagonal. Therefore, we will calculate the diagonal and we will say that we will come to know the area rhombus. So diagonals of this rhombus is AC and BD. So DAC, distance between AC, will be equals to, we will use the distance formula, that is, in this case it is A and C, means x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. So this will give us the distance between A and C point. I will put the respective values. X3 we have got minus 1 and x1 is plus 1, that is minus 3 whole square plus y3 is 4 minus y1 is 0 square. Here we get minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4 whole square plus 4 square equals to under root 16 plus 16 equals to root 32. Or this can be written as which is root 32. And now we will calculate the distance between BD. Now D distance between diagonal BD equals to under roots, that is we will use the distance formula to know the distance between BD. So this is x2, B is x2 and D is 4. So x4 minus x2 square plus y4 minus y2 square. So we will get x4 is minus 2 plus x4 x2 minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus y4 is minus 1 and y2 is 5. So minus 5 whole square. This equals to be minus 2 minus 4 means minus 6 whole square plus minus 6 whole square. That means this is 6 square means 36, 6 square means 36. So this comes out to be root 72. So area of rhombus will be 1 by 2 into root 32 into root 72. So we can calculate 1 by 2 into root 32 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 72 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into, so we will get 1 by 2 4 root 2 into 6 root 2, or this can be equals to 1 by 2 6 into 4 into 2. 6 into 4 into 2, 2 से 2 cancels, it comes out to be 24 units. So the area from bus is 24 units. Answer is area from bus equals to 24 units. So this way this question is solved. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.